Okay, we're going to learn now the Mishna Yomis, and it's starting the 8th parak, which is the parak of Ben Saira Amira, which is a very interesting parak, sponsored by the Fisher family, Lila Nishmas, Basi Bas Rabbi, Shlomo ben Avram Alevi, Perel Bas Ruvain, also sponsored Lila Nishmas, David ben Chaim, Lefush Lema, for Yomis ben Chayesar, Yaakov ben Basi Alea, for the Schus of Avram ben Yom ben Ishma Malk Yudis and family, by Yol Klugman and family for the Parnas Gzun Tenachas, Lefush Lema, for Moshe Meir ben Esther Fradel, Rivka Bas Shira Leah, Devora Bas Shoshabina and Meir ben Chayesar, they should have a refuah shalema b'seg shachar yisrael. So this is a great tragedy, which is a situation where a child with a very small window of about 13 years old to 13 and 3 months, if he does certain gluttonous and drunken things, the parents bring him and he's put to death, so that that it should save him from a much more serious future and much more terrible fate in Gehenna. Now the Gemara says, in one opinion, that Ben Sarah Meir lo haya v'lo nivra. It actually never happened, but there are a lot of conditions to fulfill. First of all, the parents have to bring him to court. They could choose not to bring him to court. Ben Sarah Meir, the wayward and rebellious child, what's the exact window of time that he gets this death sentence? It's Mishayavish Day Saris, it's from when he sees 2 pubic hairs, until hair is rings around his entire pubic area. After that, he's not liable anymore. V'loya elyon, it doesn't mean his upper beard, it means his lower area. Why doesn't it say the bayim? The Chacham speak in a more refined way. Why, if he already has hair covering his lower area, is he no more liable? Shenema, the pasuk says ki ish ben. It's only ben v'loy bas. It only could happen to a son, not to a daughter. And ben v'loy ish. It's only if he's a son, not if he's an adult. If he's already an adult, then it doesn't happen. That means if his lower extremity is fully covered, he's already an adult and he's not liable. And a cotton potter, of course, if he's not 13, he's exempt shaloi balach lal mitzvahs, because at that point he's not included in the mitzvahs. Me'emasei chayiv. When is he liable to the death sentence? Mishayoichel tarmiter basar, when he eats a mana of meat, that's a huge amount of meat. V'yishte chatzi lo, tarmiter is a half a mana of meat. V'yishte chatzi lo yayin italki, and he drinks a half a lug of the very strong Italian wine. Rabbi Yosi says he has to do double mana basar, a mana of meat, v'lo yayin. But it's only if he has it in a regular meal. Ochel b'chaburas mitzvah, if he eats in a meeting of a mitzvah, like he eats the Korban Pesach, or ochel b'ibra chodesh, he eats by the meal, which celebrates that people should know that the month was made pregnant, and that Rosh Chodesh is only on the 31st day, or ochel ma'aser sheni b'Yerushalayim, or he eats ma'aser sheni in Yerushalayim, or the other way around, he eats something that's forbidden, because the pasuk says, "Einenu shomea b'koleinu." He doesn't listen to our voice, but if he doesn't listen to Hashem's voice, that's not what it means. So, achon leveils, if he eats something that wasn't slaughtered correctly, or treifas is something that was slaughtered correctly, but it has one of the flaws that makes it a treifa, or shkatzim or ramasin, or vermin, or crawling things which are not kosher. Or achol davashu mitzvah, he eats something that's even only a mitzvah d'Rabbanan, like partaking in the meal that they give to comfort the mourner. Or davashu avera, or avera d'Rabbanan, like eating on a public fast. Or achol kol machav v'lo yachal basar, or he fresses, but he fresses on kishka and not on meat. Shasa kol mashka, he drinks a lot of beer. V'lo shasa yayin, but he doesn't drink wine. Eina nasa ben sarah meirer, only if he eats a large amount of meat and drinks a lot of wine, because the pasuk says zolel v'sovei, shenema zolel v'sovei. Now, even though we don't have a clear proof Vafal pishen raya l'davar, that zayla v'sayve means wine and meat, but we do have a hint to it in the Navi. Zeichel l'davar shenemer al tihi b'sove yayin. Don't be from those that guzzle wine. B'zayla basar lamo. Don't be from those eaters that are gluttonous with meat. So therefore we see zolel is meat and sove is wine. We want to thank you all very, very, very much for joining us.